Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see standard 6th and subject SS Social Science. In that chapter number 9. In that main 6. In the previous two videos we have seen. In the previous part 2 videos we have seen. Today we'll see main 6. Explain the following terms. In that number 1, latitude. Answer is the horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the globe are known as latitudes. Second one, longitude. Answer is the vertical imaginary lines drawn on the globe are known as the longitude. Equator. Answer is the equator is the largest latitude situated on 0 degree latitude. It is an imaginary line dividing the globe into two equal halves. Now see the next page. Main 7. Answer the following questions briefly in that one. What would happen if the earth did not rotate on its axis? Answer is if the earth did not rotate on its axis, then all places on the earth would not face the sun alternately. As a result, day and night would not happen. There would be day constantly on the place which faced the sun. The place which did not face the sun would have night permanently. Now see the main question number 2. What is meant by latitude and longitude? Answer is latitudes. The horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the globes are known as the latitudes, and longitude means the vertical imaginary lines drawn on the globe are known as the longitudes. See the question number 3. Give informations about the Greenwich meridian. Answer is the 0 degree longitudinal line passing through Greenwich City, suburb of England, is called Greenwich meridian. It divides the earth into two parts, it means east and west, which are respectively known as eastern and western hemisphere. The Greenwich line or 0 degree longitude is also known as prime meridian. See the question number 4. Give informations about the international dateline. Answer is the 180-degree longitude is known as international dateline. The 180-degree longitude is only one longitude. One day and a date have to be added while crossing this line from east to west. Same way, one day and date have to be deducted while crossing this line from west to east. Thus, the day and the date change when this line is crossed. See the question number 5. What is meant by rotation? Answer is like a top, the earth spins and completes one full circle on its imaginary axis on the equator at speed of about 1670 km per hour. This motion of earth is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to complete this one circle. This motion of the earth is called the daily motion. Now see, it means rotation. Now see the question number 6. What is meant by revolution? Answer is while moving on its axis, the earth also moves around the sun. This motion of the earth is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours, means 1 year, to complete one circle around the sun. This motion of the earth is called its annual motion. Now see the main 8. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. There are 29 days once in every 4 years in February. Explain this statement. Answer is 1 year of the earth consists of 365 days and 6 hours. 6 hours constitute 1/4 part of a day. It is difficult to calculate 1/4 part of the day, so a year is calculated to be of 365 days. The remaining 6 hours of every 4 years are adjusted in the month of February by adding 1 day more. It means 29 days are calculated instead of 28 days. That is why February has 29 days in every 4 years. That year is called leap year. See the question number 2. Why is the international date line drawn zigzag? Answer is the international date line passes over the Pacific Ocean. There are some islands in this ocean. Some part of this island lies to east of 180-degree longitude and some of the west of it. If the international date line is drawn straight, it will pass over the land area of some of these islands. So an island will have 2 days and 2 dates on the same day. This will create confusion. So the international date line is diverted into the ocean, keeping the land area of the island on one side. That is why the international date line is drawn zigzag. See the question number 3. How are the day and night formed on the earth? Answer is the earth is round, only half of it gets sunlight and the other half remains in opposite direction. It is day on the area where sunlight falls and it's night in the opposite area. The earth rotates on its axis so different areas come opposite to the sun one after another. The area which is in sunlight gradually goes into opposite direction of the sun. The area which is in the opposite direction of the sun gradually comes into sunlight. This way the day and night occur. Now see the question number 4. Why are the days and nights longer and shorter? Or another big question, give geographical regions days and nights are longer and shorter. Answer is the earth revolves around the sun with its axis inclined at 23.5 degree. So the northern and the southern hemispheres remain inclined towards the sun alternately. The hemisphere which remains inclined towards the sun remains in the sunlight for more time. The day is longer there and the night is shorter. The vertical means direct sun rays fall on the Tropic of Cancer. The northern hemisphere is inclined towards the sun. So the day is longer and the night is shorter. The day is shorter and the night is longer where sun rays are slant diagonal over the Tropic of Capricorn. Thus, the earth revolves around the sun, keeping its axis inclined in the same direction, and this causes longer and shorter days and night. See the question number 9, write a short notes on solar eclipse. Explain by drawing the figure. First of all, we will see the figure. Here the sun is there, and here earth, and here moon. Now the region is there, the region where solar eclipse is visible. Here this side the region where solar eclipse is visible. Now see the answer. The moon is a satellite of the earth. It revolves around the earth. It is also the nearest celestial body from the earth. While rotating, sometimes it comes in between the sun and the earth. At that time, the sun is not seen due to the obstruction of the moon. This phenomena is called solar eclipse. As the moon is much smaller than the sun, it cannot cover the sun completely. As a result, solar eclipse is not seen simultaneously all over the world. Solar eclipse means जो ग्रहण बोलते हैं वो. Now see the question number 2, lunar eclipse. Explain by drawing the figure. Now see, here also the sun is there, but here in between sun and moon, earth is there. Okay. Now here the earth on that region where lunar eclipse is visible. Okay. Now see the answer. The moon gets light from the sun when the earth comes in between the sun rays going towards the moon. The shadow of the earth falls on some part of the moon. That part of the moon is not seen by us, which is known as lunar eclipse. The lunar eclipse takes place only on the full moon night. Here your chapter is completed, and we will see the next chapter, chapter number 10 in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.